Welcome to 5-Minute Tech Clash. Today we're bringing you an exciting showdown of the Amazfit T Rex 3 vs Amazfit T Rex 2 vs Amazfit T Rex Ultra. First up, thickness. The T Rex 3 is 13.75mm, the T Rex 2 is 13.65mm, and the Ultra is the slimmest at 13.45mm. For height, the T Rex 3 is the tallest at 48.5mm, the T Rex 2 is 47.1mm, and the Ultra is 47.3mm. Now weight. The T Rex 3 is 68.3 grams, the T Rex 2 is lighter at 66.5 grams, and the Ultra is heavier at 89 grams. Frame materials. The T Rex 3 has a polymer middle frame, while the T Rex 2 and Ultra use polymer alloy frames for added durability. Water resistance. All three are water resistant up to 10 ATM. Straps. The T Rex 3 uses liquid silicone, and the T Rex 2 and Ultra have silicone straps. Sports modes. The T Rex 3 leads with 177+, the T Rex 2 has 150+, and the Ultra has 162 modes. Buttons. All have 4 buttons, but no built-in speakers. Connectivity. The T Rex 3 and Ultra support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, but the T Rex 2 doesn't. The T Rex 3 has Bluetooth 5.2, while the other two use Bluetooth 5.0. GPS? Yes, all have it. Microphone? Only the T Rex 3 has one. Battery. The T Rex 3 wins with 700 mAh, while the T Rex 2 and Ultra have 500 mAh. Charging. All use magnetic charging, but the T Rex 2 has a 2-pin design. Charging duration. The T Rex 3 takes 3 hours, while the T Rex 2 and Ultra only take 2 hours. Battery life. The T Rex 3 lasts to 27 days, the T Rex 2 manages 24 days, and the Ultra offers 20 days. Display size. The T Rex 3 has a larger 1.5-inch screen, while the T Rex 2 and Ultra both have 1.39-inch displays. Display type. All three feature AMOLED screens. Display PPI. The T Rex 3 has 322 PPI, while the T Rex 2 and Ultra offer a slightly sharper 326 PPI. Resolution. The T Rex 3 boasts 480 by 480 pixels, compared to the 454 by 454 resolution on the T Rex 2 and Ultra. AI Assistant. The T Rex 3 supports an AI assistant, but the T Rex 2 and Ultra don't. Touchscreen material. The T Rex 3 uses Gorilla Glass, while the T Rex 2 and Ultra have standard glass material. Sensors. All three are packed with sensors, including acceleration, gyroscope, geomagnetic, ambient light, temperature, biometric, and blood oxygen. Let's talk about the prices of these rugged beasts. The Amazfit T Rex 3 is priced at $280. The T Rex 2 is the most affordable at $200, and the T Rex Ultra is the priciest at $400. And the winner is the Amazfit T Rex 3. Here's why. It has the best height, sports modes, microphone, battery life, and battery capacity. The larger display size and higher resolution add to its appeal, and at $280, it's a fantastic value for all these features. So the T Rex 3 takes the crown. Do you agree? Let me know. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me. And see you in the next video.